everybody, and welcome back. Nova wanted to film our intro today, so I am going to let her do that. Before I hand it over to her, I wanted to tell you about our handmade bow shop that is launching on May 15th. You can follow us on Instagram at Nova Rosie Handmade, or on Facebook also at Nova Rosie Handmade. Our Etsy shop will be the same, and it will be on Etsy. I'm going to link it down below, but it's not going to be live until May 15th. So I'm going to hand it off to Nova now.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to do a hair tutorial. This super cute hairstyle. And Mom will show how to do that. Let's get started.
First off, I'm going to show you how to part out this hairstyle. So I'm going to make a center part from the front of her forehead and then back about 4 or 5 inches. From here, I'm going to take about 1.5 inches and part it at a diagonal, so I have a diagonal triangle. Now, for some reason, my camera shut off here, and I did put that in a ponytail, but I'm going to take another diagonal section that's 1 inch to 2 inches back behind it. I am going to part this into 2 and then create 2 more ponytails back behind that first triangular ponytail. Now, one thing that I always stress when you're doing these elastic styles, make sure that the hair is damp, use a little bit of product, and then you'll always see me combing down the hair back behind the ponytail. It eliminates flyaways and unwanted hairs in that front ponytail. I just want the hair that I've parted out and nothing else. So I'm just repeating what I did on the left side here on her right side. Again, parting the hair at an angle and then coming directly behind that first ponytail, parting this into 2 and adding ponytails. So once you've got this last ponytail added, this is the bulk of the front section. It's just mostly going to be splitting the hair from here. But I am going to turn her around and put the rest of the hair into lower pigtails. So I'll move those front sections out of the way, use a little bit of water and spray gel to tame down the hair, comb it out, and then I will add 2 lower ponytails close to the nape of the neck. You don't want these ponytails up too high because you won't get the same effect. Once I've got her hair into pigtails, it's time to start splitting and parting out the style. So I use a little bit of spray gel and water on each section. It keeps the flyaways at bay and it helps the hairstyle hold all day long. The very front section I'm going to split into 2 and add each to my pigtails. The other side I'm going to do the same thing. You'll see that that front section crosses over. And then you can use a clip or a bobby pin. I only clip one section into place at a time because that's all I really need out of the way. So the inner ponytails, you're also going to split. The ones that are directly behind those front and on the inside. And here I am again splitting the other side. So you're getting this cute crisscross pattern. Now you've got one more ponytail in the front, but I'm going to add an elastic at this point. I've done this hairstyle several times and I feel like it holds the shape of the crisscrosses better if you wait and add another elastic at the very end. So I'm adding these 4 that I have into the ponytail, and then I'll go over to the other side. If you don't spray them down using some product, you're going to get a lot of flyaways really fast and the hairstyle isn't going to hold. So again, I'll take these 4 pieces and then add them into my right ponytail. From here, I just have these 2 outer ponytails left, and I want them placed below my X's that I already have. So this is why I say add a second ponytail. It's easier to control where they're going. So I'm going to place it right below and bring it all the way across. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. And that is it. That is your finished hairstyle. If your little one has hair that's a little bit shorter, those far ponytails, you could always bring them directly down into the left or directly down into the right side instead of crossing them. You do need medium length hair to do this style.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give that a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye 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 bye.